cross that bridge when you come to it sounds like good advice. Although you might be better off not crossing some of these potential death traps. So what do you do when this old, cracked piece of concrete is the only road to get where you're going? Hold on, let's see if we can get you there in one piece. Here's how to survive the top 5 dangerous bridges. No matter how experienced a driver you think you are, whether it's nearly blinding fog or strong winds pushing your car off unfinished roads, some bridges are filled with deadly threats. Today we put together a list of the deadliest bridges around the globe, and hopefully you'll learn a skill or two that'll get you to the other end of the bridge. Why should you never stop completely on a foggy bridge? Why is one location called the Drunk Bridge? And how could rolling down a car window save your life? Number 5. Kuandinsky Bridge, Russia. It goes over the Vitim River, right on the border between the Zabakalsky region and the Republic of Buryatia. The bridge was only supposed to be a temporary solution during the construction of a railway. It was never completed, but the locals still use it. Its 0.5-kilometer length has been closed several times due to structural damage caused by ice flows, but drivers kept repairing it. It only has room for one car and no safety railings, so when the strong winds start to blow, you could end up plummeting into the freezing waters below. To avoid this, people who cross the Kuandinsky regularly lower their windows to allow the wind to go right through their car. Number 4. 7 Mile Bridge, Florida, USA. Part of this Florida highway bridge is built directly above water where salt and storms eroded faster than it could be repaired. Connecting Knight's Key to Little Duck Key, it runs alongside another bridge, fittingly called Old 7 Mile Bridge. The first was built in 1912 and the current version in 1982. The original was severely damaged in 1935 when a hurricane hit the region. After being closed for several years, it reopened in 2022 as a pedestrian-friendly tourist destination. Before venturing onto 7 Mile Bridge, check the weather forecast. Make sure there isn't a hurricane approaching, and if things start to get dicey, drive slowly. Number 3. Sidu River Bridge, China. If you're afraid of heights, you might want to skip visiting this one. At 457 meters, it held the title of the highest bridge in the world when it opened in 2009. Its construction required the use of rockets to string the first pilot line across the chasm, and it can hold over 39 billion kilograms of weight. This incredible suspension bridge connects 2 parts of the country that were separated by mountains and rivers. The main danger is its stunning view. You'd be so mesmerized by it that it can be easy to not pay attention to the road. Always keep lots of space between you and other cars, just in case. Number 2. Storseisundet Bridge, Norway. This is not one for the faint of heart. Locally, it's known as the Drunk Bridge, and its appearance has been compared to that of a roller coaster. Whatever angle you're at, its shape appears slightly different. A giant curve makes it so that you won't be able to see the end of the bridge, giving the illusion that it ends abruptly. If the sharp bends aren't enough, the Storseisundet has dealt with its fair share of hurricanes. An average day can have you facing winds of up to 48 kilometers per hour, making the chances of being swept away a very real possibility. Avoid it during the harsh winter months when powerful storm waves regularly crash onto the road. Number 1. Deception Pass Bridge, the United States. About 20,000 vehicles cross this old Washington State bridge every day. Built in 1934, it connects Whidbey Island and Fidalgo Island. This area tends to have a lot of mist and fog that can dangerously decrease visibility for drivers. When driving through fog, put your hazards on and take it slow. Don't stop completely, just in case there's a car behind you. You manage to get to the other side of these bridges safe and sound, but the danger won't stop there. Roads can be deceiving and deadly, like this South American highway that kills over 200 people every year. We'll make sure you won't be added to that statistic because we have the video for you here on How to Survive.